Okay, analyzing data in a table. There are 160 employees who work for a company. This histogram summarizes the amount of time each employee has been in his or her current position at the company. Based on this information, which statement must be true? Well, let's start by pulling the table out and look at our graph and analyze question by question. So let's eliminate answer choices as we go. So the first one says there are 5 employees who have been at their current position for 30 to 35 months. Let's find where that's represented on our graph. You can see time in months is on the bottom, so let's highlight it. 30 to 35. Now if we take that across, we can kind of see the number of employees on our y-axis or on our vertical table. So it looks like we have 5 in there. So this one, A, is actually true. There are 5 employees who have been at their current position for 30 to 35 months. Let's go through the other answer choices to make sure we're not missing anything. So B, there are 6 to 11 employees who have been at their current position for 15 months. Let's do this again. We'll find 15. 15 lies between 12 and 17. So let's highlight that bar and go across just like we did before to make sure that we see that the right number of employees. So it looks like 35. It says there are 6 to 11 employees that have been at their current position for 15 months. We see on our work that it says 35, so that one is false. Let's go to C. Half the employees have been at their current position 18 or more months. So half of them, 18 or more months, would be from 18 to 23, 24 to 29, and 30 to 35. We have to take all of them, so we need to find the total of those 3 bars. So there were 45 employees from 18 to 23 months, 20 from 24 to 29 months, and 5 from 30 to 35 months. So let's add these up. We add up these 3 bars. That's 70 employees. And it says half. Well, half of 160 is 80, so 70 does not make it true, so that one is false. And let's finally go to D. Half the employees have been at their current position 11 or fewer months. We can use the same strategy we did before. 11 or fewer, so it's going to be our category 0 to 5 and 6 to 11. 6 to 11 is 15. 0 to 5 is 40 for a total of 55 employees. It says half the employees. We already determined that half the employees is 80. 55 is way too little, so that won't work. So, looking at our problem, based on the histogram, which statement must be true? A. There are 5 employees who have been at their current position for 30 to 35 months.